Good day, team. It is Lucretia coming to you with another video from the One Stop Business Shop. Today's video is going to be about 10 minutes long because it's an actual training, but it will be posted on YouTube so that you can have a point of reference to go back and get it. Today's training is going to be on how you can contact restaurants in your local area. I am here in Baltimore. So I'm going to be trying to find restaurants in Baltimore. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is make sure you're doing things decently and in order. So I would recommend creating a spreadsheet to keep up with all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and I've already started creating a spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to Sheets. And then here we go, Restaurant Leads. Okay. So on this restaurant leads sheet that I've started creating, I put the name, the address, the phone number. If I can get an email address, I'll add that in, the person of contact and how I first contacted them, and if I was able to get an appointment set. So some of the restaurants that are going to be easier to close are, of course, the ones that are already using a delivery service. But in addition to those, mom and pop shops like Chinese food restaurants, Mexican cuisine, flower shops, and places of that sort. So I went to Google to compile this list and typed restaurants in Pikesville. Okay. I always click more places, and then it definitely gives you a list. Now, as you can see, this list tells you who's already taken delivery, right? It tells you you can get delivery from this place. So this is going to be a place that goes on my list. I'm going to take note of the website and all of that. I can give them a call. Now, I'm going to tell you, Five Guys is a corporation. You might not want to start with them. This is an actual buffet, so sometimes that's good, sometimes it's not. The Silk Road Bistro, no contact delivery, that would be a good one. The no contact delivery at this Mediterranean Grill, that looks like a good one. So you're going to add those on your list. Now, once you get those on your list, let's go with Mimi's. I'm going to say because she opens at noon, right? And we're going to click on that and go to their website. So I'm going to type Mimi's Mediterranean Grill. Let's put that here. Mimi's Mediterranean. Oh, y'all get it. Grill. Okay. So then let's take a look. I'm going to go to normally go to contact us, but Mimi has a story here, and there's the address. I can just literally copy that address, put it on the spreadsheet. Let's find a phone number. They have a phone number, they have a fax, and they have an email, right? So that's so good. So I'm going to put the email address and I'm going to put the phone number. Well, now because I see that they have a space for fax number, I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. So insert a column to the left. All right. So now I'm going to put fax number. And thank you, Mimi. So we're going to put the fax number in there. All right. I'm going to change that back to white. There we go. All right. Now I can actually send them a message. So what is the message that I'm going to send? Well, I'm going to put my name. I'm going to put my email address. I'm going to put delivery service. And I'm going to say, hi, I am an independent business owner with Snap Delivered. I would like to set an appointment with you to get you set up on our delivery app. There is no activation fee for this service. Please give me a call at 404-927-3578, or you can register at no cost today online at, and then I'm going to actually put my link. All right. So you want to make sure that you're actually going to put your own merchant referral link in there. And I'm going to space that and then put it there. All right. And then you can do respectfully, Lucretia Wallace. All right. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy that. And then I'm going to hit send. And guess what? I just sent that to my first, the first company of the day. Now, I don't like to leave any stones unturned, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my Facebook. Jeez. And then I'm going to type in here Mimi's Mediterranean Grill, and it popped right up, right? And this is it. I'm going to like it. I'm going to go to the page, and I'm going to send them a message. And I'm going to paste that same message, and I'm going to hit send. Okay. And see how my link comes up in there? So this is the second time that I've actually sent them a message. And then I can go ahead and send an email as well, right? Yep. So I can send an email by clicking compose in my email. I'm going to put the same thing, and I'm going to say get Snap, all capital letters, and then I'm going to say delivered today. And then I'm just going to go back and grab that email address. And then I'm going to hit the word send. Actually, when you're doing an email, you want to take the hyperlink, right? You want to take whatever you're doing, and you're going to hit the hyperlink symbol down here. And instead of having that long word, I'm going to type in here, register for free here. Or let's say, click this link to register now. That's it. So see how that comes across? And when they actually click on that link, it'll take them to my merchant site. All right. So I actually like to put a picture on anything that I'm sending out. And most of the time, my advice to people is to use the picture that you have on your Facebook profile. I don't look like any of those pictures right now, so probably I would go with, this is a decent one. My hair is red right now, so I'm going to use this picture. And I'm going to put independent business owner here. and then I'm going to put my phone number. Right? And I'm going to make that big, bold, and make it a little bit big. So I'll send this out. Actually, now that that looks like that, I want to make it all look big, right? Okay, that's better. I'll send that out. So I have, actually, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to put method of contact was Facebook, website, email. Now, I could actually go to their Twitter page to see if I can find them. I can go to their Instagram, see if I can find them. You know, I could just keep going. So, let's see if we can find them on Twitter. So, Mimi's Mediterranean Grill with an E. Let's see what comes up. Mimi's Mediterranean Grill. All right. Okay, that was from City Music, and this is going to take me back to their Facebook. So there's not a lot that's going on for them for Twitter. And I'm not going to go ahead and check Instagram, but I want you to know, now that I've sent that, I can actually set a reminder for me, right? So let's go. Remember, they opened at 12 o'clock. Let me see if I can go back to Google and get this. Mimi's. Oh, it was on here. Here we go. Let me go back. See if it'll let me go back. Because the one thing that I want you guys to pay attention to is the time that the business opens. So, if you know that the business opens at noon, you can actually create a calendar, right? You're going to go ahead and create a calendar for yourself. And you're going to click the plus sign, create. Come on. How do you do that? Okay, other calendars. Click the plus sign and create new calendar. This way, this won't interfere with what you already have. And I'm going to call that Snap Appointment Calendar. Right? And then I'm going to create this calendar. Okay. And it's over here. So I'm pulling up this. So it's going to be the blue one. Got you. All right. So now I'm going to unclick those two and I just have, this is my Snap. See how it's blue right there? All the other calendars are not showing. So I know that they open at 12 o'clock. So at 12 o'clock, I'm going to put call Mimi's. All right. And you can put all that information in here. And then that way, when you're calling them, right, when you're calling them, you can have this box to keep up with what happened when you made the phone call. What are you going to be asking? Well, you're going to ask, can I speak to the manager? And so on and so forth. This video is actually at about 13 minutes. So I've gone over the time that it takes. So what I'm going to do here is just stop right here. And then I'll have another video coming about what to actually say when you're talking to the restaurants on the phone or in person. But for now, this gives you an idea of how you can actually start making that initial contact with some of the restaurants in your own area. I definitely hope this helps you to build your business. And with that being said, happy hunting.